Hello!
Hello!
Welcome back to our channel. We are the Curious Kiwis. We are on a mission today. Our cache hasn't been found in a month, so we're gonna go and pick it up, do some maintenance, maybe leave it, or we might take it home, or depending on what condition it's in.
And
yeah,
today we are christening
our new backpack. We're gonna do a what's in our new backpack video as well at some point.
It's awesome. 29 degrees.
It is
also.
very hot today.
We haven't had rain in 40 days. Breaking all records here.
Let's go.
Ready, Nathan?
Go. Go. Up there we go. Up there we go. Someone's coming. Shit. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Behind the tree, behind the tree, behind the tree. Look. Oh, there she is. There's our baby. It has weathered time. Look at all the bark's coming off.
Let's open it. The lock is still in there.
Awesome. Oh my god.
It works.
The light still works. Do it again.
Actually works fairly smooth now.
Yes.
Nice.
That's great. It doesn't look like as moldy or anything either.
Hey, look at the inside. Look how perfect it is.
Oh my gosh. The heck? Guys, remember last time there was like mold everywhere in here.
Good job restoring it.
There's not a single drop of mold. Yeah, the mushrooms are a little ugly, but there's not a single drop of mold, and the lights are perfect. The grass is perfect. The grass is clean as. Holy moly, good job.
Wow. Batteries are running low though.
Did you bring batteries? Is that a dumb question? Did you bring batteries? No. Oh, you egg! We literally don't need to do like anything.
No. Let's have a look inside if the trackable is still in there.
Yes, it is. Cool.
Nice.
Should we put our trackable I bought from Brisbane in it?
Oh yeah. Have we taken it? We haven't put it in the bank yet. Oh well, that's a double excuse to come back.
Let's check the log. Do we need a new log?
Not yet. Because the back is... Oh. Oh, we might actually replace the log. Or we do everything at once next time. Because there's still 2 or 3 spots on it.
Yeah. So this video is not what we expected it to be. We thought we were going to bring it out of the bush, take it home, fix it up, and put it back again like we did last time. But it's really in perfect condition. There's no need to do that. We're just going to leave it another month or so or whatever, and then bring a new log back because it's got 3 or 4 spaces left and it's not being found that often, and batteries, and then just do that because there's not a single drop of mold in it this time. Are we done?
Yeah, we're done.
That was so much less effort than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah.
Bye. See you in another month or so. Someone thinks they're alone here, but they're not. Shit. Shit, shit, shit. Oh my god, I'm terrified. I'm terrified, I'm terrified, I'm terrified. Go. Okay. Go, go, go. Shit, shit, shit. Don't leave me, don't leave me, don't leave me, don't leave me, don't leave me. I took off my pink shirt because I stood out too much.
You done? Come.
Hello guys, it's a week later? Week and a half later?
It's
week
a
odd later?
It's a week later.
And a few more people have found our geocache, so we're going to go back and replace the log that should now be full, and we're going to replace the batteries on the lights as well.
It's a lovely day today.
It is very nice. As we're walking, I'm going to give you some information on this cache because we haven't really updated it in a while actually.
Put back anyone?
It's been out for how long is it? Almost a year now. When did we place it?
No, not almost a year.
The 3rd of the 7th, the 3rd of July.
Oh.
So it's been over 6 months now. We have 32 favourite points on it, which is great.
I'm sorry, lady, but did we put it out in the middle of winter?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Oh.
But yeah, it's got 32 favourite points, so it's really good.
This is the sign for our geocache. Muggle check. Muggle check. Go. Go, lady, go. Go, lady, go. I will follow suit. Come in, come. Hello, we're back. Oh, now it's wet. Are they even turning on?
No.
She's wet.
She wet?
She wet. Literally no light.
No light. I think it died.
Being rough. Being rough. Seriously, I put it in a duffel bag.
And it's full of water. That's the battery bag. So that's why it's not working. It's full of water.
Damn, it's so wet. I mean, I packed it well, but that is also the negative point that when it does get wet, it stays wet.
Look at that. Ew. There's a man walking past on his phone. You better not stop here. Come on, walk past, walk past. Shit, I'm like in full view. Go, 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 go. Yep, we're good. There are muggles everywhere today. So I'm gonna whisper. I'm gonna replace the log because the log is full while he does the batteries.
Man, put the batteries in a little Systema container for now, because that works at least better than using Ziploc bags.
Alright, turn off the lights.
So many muggles there. You have to be like silent, but you also have to be quick. Wait until the lady is safe. Lady is safe. Lady at the tree. Lady at the tree. Alright, woman, let's go. Maintenance done.
Okay, so that was our video for this week. A little bit of geocache maintenance. It was good, we haven't done it in a few months. Replaced the log, replaced the batteries, didn't get muggled out.
No.
Like, thankfully. There was so many muggles today.
Surprisingly. I can't wait to create a new cache.
Yes.
But at a spot where there's not that many muggles.
That would be fun.
Easy.
Easy. Very busy. Life
Busy
is busy.
bees.
And it's going to get even busier this year.
Yeah. Why?
In the best of ways.
Why?
Special announcement coming soon. That is our video for today. Thank you very much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it.
We did.
If you did, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below.
It's there.
It's down here.
It's there.
There.
No, it's on that side, isn't
Oh, are
it?
we flipping it?
Oh no, there's a like button is here.
Yeah. Subscribe button is here. Leave us a comment. Hit the notification bell down below next to the subscribe button if you want to get notified when we upload.
Oh, these people would be like, oh,
What are they doing?
nice.
Rude. So we're gonna go home. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.